Hello, my friend, support. I am representative of Dr. Mohammad Shujubri, Dr. Swail. Welcome to science classes. Student of science, I want us to take flavor every branch of science. What kind of things say do, that is what, that is knowledge, that is yes, and that is good what, that is an art. As a Muslim, we are less the one and creator of Allah, Krishna, last and best Muslim Muhammad. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Allah is the one and only creator of Allah, Krishna, last and best Muslim Muhammad. Now science, what is science? Science is anything, any matter, any event, any problem, any occurrence can solved by logic, document, database, mathematical calculation, equipment with experiment, that is science. What is the branch of science? Two branches, creator science, creation science. Creator science describe elaborated about one and only creator. Creation science describe elaborated about creation. Now, you know that in case of math we prove and given. In case of math, if creator nauzubillah min zalik, creator is one and only. Now if creator more than one, nauzubillah min zalik, 1 minus 1 remain 1 minus 1 0. If creator more than 1, then if triple 1 minus 3 minus 1. The mathematical calculation show that creator one and only. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. In case of that 0, creation nothingness. Once upon a time, no creation remain. Only one and only creator remain in that time. I am also not remain that time. From one and only creator, from nothingness, creation nothingness, creator way is determined then by chain of science, chain of harmony, chain of excellency, chain of beauty, created all creation by Kun. If reversed by Kun, one and only creator ALLAHU remain. In math field, you can easily understand that 1 minus, if creator more than 1, now we will in Jalek, 1 minus, how much creator? That much fundamental law of creator, fundamental law of creation disturbed. In case of, for example, if creator more than 1, now we will in Jalek, the creator real energy divided, how much creator? That much dividation. But creator real energy not divided. And creator is one and only, past, present, future, forever. And in case of creation pi, the law creation science branch, space and time, energy, creation energy, discovery laboratory about physics, atom, fundamental law of creation also disturbed. And each and every moment the time calculate, time and space also disturbed. Creation time and space. The moment that creator is one, that is the reason time is not disturbed. Space is not disturbed. Creation space is not disturbed. Energy like physics and light energy, dark energy, blue energy, discovery laboratory about physics. That is fundamental law of physics, not disturbed. The fundamental law of energy never can never destroy. That is for creation, not for creator. And go to one type to another type, one form to another form. By that fundamental law, if creator more than one, that is also disturbed. How much creator, that much law fit, that much disturbed. In case of atom, the fundamental law of atom, you see that number 1 atom to A to Z atom, the fundamental law of atom same. And number 1 atom, 1 electron, proton, neutron. And in case of earth, number 92 atom in natural, 92 electron, proton, neutron. In 118 electron, proton, neutron. And 120 electron, proton, neutron by the fundamental law of atom. If 1 crore 20 lakh, then 1.20 lakh electron, proton, neutron. For example, understand you. The fundamental law of atom also disturbed. If creator more than one, fundamental law of atom also disturbed. Now fundamental law of prokaryotic cell like virus, bacteria also disturb, also parasite also disturb, and eukaryotic cell like tree also disturb, and eukaryotic cell like the animal also disturb, and animal like human, gene, angel, Homo sapiens, Homo sapiens, my labar and my labar MSA, that also disturb. Creator loving creation also disturb, and creator is one and only. If creator more than one, what about? All creation is divided. How much creator? That much division. Also in discipline. Also in discipline occurring creation pi, who is created by one and only creator. There is a division in creation pi. There is a division of sun, moon, earth, solar panel, Milky Galaxy, universe, multiverse, creator, house creation. There is no division. You see the sun, moon, earth, no division. By that formula, say with logic, document, data, mathematics, calculation, creator is one and only. If creator more than one, you know that if nauzubillah means jalek, if more than one, two equal to 1 plus 1, if equal energy, equal right, equal power, then creation pi divided equally 2. If more than 2, 3, equal creation pi is divided equally 3. If 4, 4. There is no division in creation pi. Also sun, moon, earth, solar panel, Milky Galaxy, universe, multiverse, creation pi. That is the reason, that is the document evidence. There is no division. Creator is one and only. Now my friend and supporter, Creator is one and only, past, present, future. Al-Quran say Creator that which is, Creator Wahed, one and only, Ahad, one and only Creator. 14th century years ago. In case of Al-Quran, all small holy book and 4 large holy book, Tawrat, Jabur, Injil, Quran. In Quran there is a all small holy book summary also, 4 large holy book, Tawrat, Jabur, Injil, and Quran. In Quran remain another all holy books, another 3 large holy book summary, Tawrat, Surah Baqarah, Jabur, history of Dawud alayhi salam, and Injil, Surah Maryam. Surah Maryam 19 number Surah, 19 number Surah 19, 19 number Surah of Al-Quran. That is the summary of Injil. Now my friend supporter, you understand, I am also creation. I not know Surah Maryam full, Surah Baqarah, Surah Muhammad, last and best messenger Muhammad, 47 number Surah of Al-Quran. That is the document evidence. Allah is constant truth, Al-Quran is truth, Muhammad ibn Abdullah, messenger of Allah. As a Muslim I say last and best messenger. Now by medical science, now creation science depend on creator science. Creator science not depend on creation science. What is the reason? Because once upon a time one and only creator remained, and creator created all creation by kun, and change by changing, and correct by correcting, and destroy by fire. That is the reason creation science depend on creator, or one and only creator, and one and only creator science. One and only creator science remain in one and only creator reality. And creator never create, never destroy, never born, never die. By that policy, creation born die, by born and die, in case of human, all human born and die, all are creation. Isa ibn Maryam also die, also creation. Muhammad also die, creation. By born and die, all are creation. If human is not creator, then creation like other creation like animal, human lead the world. Animal can create? No. Tree can create? They also creation? No. Atom, then virus, bacteria can create? No. And human cell also in hypotonic solution, what available? Hypotonic solution, 0.9% sodium chloride solution, In hypotonic solution, what happens? Hypotonic solution, 0.9% sodium chloride solution, normotonic solution. And hypersonic solution cell, what happens? Outer environment hypo, then absorb the cell soil. Once upon a cell soil and cell burst. Cell injury occur. By that policy, human also creation proof. If human is not creator, in universe, in sun, moon, in earth, sun, moon, solar panel, Milky Galaxy, universe, multiverse, creator house, creation pipe, all are creation proof. Anyone can create human, anyone can create human cell, anyone can create a human DNA? No. I can do that, I also not do that. I am also creation proof. By human, all are creation proof in creation pipe. Not only human, but also every branch of creation science, all are created. By every branch of creation science, all are creation proof except one and only creator. What is the reason? No creation, not create any creation, not destroy any creation, not change any creation without law of creator, without permission of one and only creator. As a Muslim, I say one and only creator name Allah. Creator other name like God, Ishwar, Bhagavan, Mahaprabhu, Khoda, God, Ishwar, Bhagavan, Mahaprabhu, Khoda, Mahbud, Ilah, Allah. La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. Allah is the one and only creator, Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. As a Muslim, I say last and best messenger. Now my friend and supporter, not fight for creator name, fight for understanding. If creator is one, religion one is truth. Beginning of the creation to ending of the creation. What is that? Creator is one and only. First, creator is one and only. Those that believe that. Then you know that which religious book is modern. Say about past, present, future. Try to understand that. As a Muslim, I know that Al-Quran say past, present, future. About one and only creator, also creation. That is the reason my choice is Islam. Religion is truth. What is your choice? I not go to the argue, debate, fight. Allah is constant truth, Al-Quran is truth, Islam is truth religion. Thank you very much, my friend. What is the reason? In Al-Quran, at the modern, say the past, present, future, about one and only creator, also creation. That is the reason. Thank you very much, my friend. Today is enough from science class.